If you're watching this, you may have recently lost a loved one due to the negligence of another person or party. And one of the questions you're asking, and it's a natural question, is what's the value of the claim? Of course, there's no amount of money in the world that can replace your loved one. I've unfortunately had to have that conversation with parents who've lost children, women who've lost their husbands, men who've lost their wives. There's no amount of money that could ever replace what they've lost. But in our civil justice system, the only compensation that people can recover is money. And so what is a claim worth? And that's obviously a question you're going to think about at some point if your loved one has been killed as the result of the negligence of someone else. Well, there's no set answer to that question. There are different factors that are considered when a jury determines the damages in a wrongful death case. The claim that the surviving relatives have includes different types of damages, but it's primarily looking at the full value of the person's life from the perspective of the person who was killed. So what has he or she lost? A young mom who is tragically killed in a wreck, let's say with a tractor trailer, what has she lost? She lost the opportunity to watch her children grow up, to watch them graduate from school, to watch them get married, to have grandchildren. She lost the opportunity to do the things that she loved to do, the hobbies she loved to pursue, whether that was running, playing tennis, or crafts, reading in book clubs, being involved in her church. Those things that she can no longer do because she was killed as the result of the negligence of someone else. That's the question that a jury will have to ask themselves, is what is that worth? Of course, there's no way, there's no formula that anyone can use to put a number on that, and every case is going to be different. But if you have lost a loved one due to the negligence of someone else and you have questions, please give us a call and we'd be happy to discuss your case with you. We'd be honored if you select us to pursue this case on behalf of you and the loved one you have lost.